Welcome to another exciting video from Nikit Engineers Welding Automation and Robotics Solutions, where innovation meets precision. Today, we delve into the art of port welding, a crucial process in manufacturing hydraulic fluid distributors. At Nikit Engineers, we specialize in crafting state-of-the-art port welders, ensuring seamless integration and optimal performance in hydraulic systems. Our dedication to quality and expertise in welding automation sets us apart in the industry. Port welding demands meticulous precision and expertise. Each weld is meticulously executed to guarantee durability, reliability, and leak-free performance. Whether it's a small-scale project or a large-scale industrial application, Nikit Engineers provides tailored solutions to meet your welding automation needs. Trust in our expertise to deliver unparalleled quality and efficiency every time. For unmatched port welding solutions, choose Nikit Engineers Welding Automation and Robotics Solutions. For more such content, like, share and subscribe us. Thank you for watching.